Hey guys, so I'm going to go over the highest leverage question in the independent practice, and I have that posted in front of you. This was question number 1 about Emma. So now looking at Emma, I can see right here that there are 3 key pieces within this question that I've highlighted. 1, Emma's sitting in the back of the classroom. 2, she's having a hard time seeing the writing on the board in the front of the room. She said that it's blurry. And 3, she can, however, see that her classwork in front of her has a text and she can read that. So I'm going to write up in my background knowledge, she can see up close, but cannot see far away. Cool. So now looking at my answer choices, you can see down here that I was able to eliminate answer choice B and D for the following reasons. B was talking about the drainage canal affecting the optic nerve due to an increase in pressure. When I think back to the reading, if the optic nerve is damaged, that's known as glaucoma, and glaucoma means that you cannot see at all. However, Emma can see, but she can only see things up close, so it can't be B. And I've also eliminated answer choice D because it was talking about rod cells. And we know that rod cells are only allowing us to focus in dim lighted areas or help us see better in darkness. Now, in this question, it doesn't say anything about Emma trying to see or struggling to see in the darkness. So that's why I've eliminated D. So now I am stuck between A and B. A is talking about Emma's cornea is too steeply curved, causing the focus point of light to hit before the retina, whereas C is saying that Emma's cornea is too flat, causing the focus point of light to hit behind the retina. Okay, so I know that this has to do with the cornea. Now, when I think back to the reading, there were 2 types of impairment that had to do with the shape of the cornea. What were they? If you said nearsighted and farsighted impairment, you are correct. Now I need to remember the difference between the 2. What does it mean to be nearsighted? If you said seeing objects close up but not far away, you are correct. What does it mean to be farsighted? You said seeing objects far away but not close, then you are correct. So this is the difference between the 2 and how it affects your vision. But now the key here is what's actually happening to the cornea. Is the cornea too steep, or is Emma's cornea too flat? Now, I know that based on the keywords in the question, Emma is suffering from which type? Nearsightedness or farsightedness? What do you think? If you said she's suffering from nearsightedness, then you are exactly correct. So I'm going to bold that. Emma is definitely nearsighted. So now I need to dig back into my brain. What's happening to the cornea in nearsightedness? Is it too steep or is it too flat? What do you think? If you said that the cornea is too steep, you are correct. If the cornea had been too flat, that would have been farsightedness, not nearsightedness.